G'day everyone, Sonia Bernard here, linked by ink, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today I want to present to you my mega mystery box special. Now this special is going to run July 1st, 2024 to July 15th, 2024. That's 2 whole weeks that I'm going to run this special. Okay, and it also happens to run when the online exclusives come out on July 3rd. So something to keep in mind. Okay, so why it's a mega mystery box is because I'm giving away double what I normally give in a mystery box. What's a mystery box, you ask? A mystery box is a box of goodies that you receive from me when you place an order, with me. So you must use a host code. So if you're watching this video in an email, use the host code listed in the email. If you're watching me on YouTube or Facebook, then go ahead and look in the comments and the host code will be listed down there for you to use. But you do have to use that host code to get the free mystery box. Now, a mystery box, it's a mystery. What I'm doing right now is I am going through and clearing out my entire studio. I've got retired product that I can't use anymore for my business, and I just don't have space and I don't have time to go back and use it. So in this mystery box, you spend a set amount and then you receive a set amount of goodies, a minimum amount of goodies. Let me explain. If you spend $50 prior to shipping and tax, then you will receive $75 in retired products from me. Now, these products might be new, they might be gently used. Think stamp sets, dies, punches. I may have used them. What I can guarantee is every single mystery box will have at least one unused stamp set in it, never been used, brand new, retired. Okay, it's not going to be from any of the new stuff. It's not going to be anything that is current now. This is all retired product. Some examples I can show you, like this spool of ribbon. It's retired, but it's brand new. It still has the plastic on it. You might also receive, several different spools where I'll put, 3 spools together and count it as one because it might be somewhat used already. Okay. You may receive a full pack of retired paper. You may receive a partial pack, but then I'll go in and add more 6x6s in there to give you that 48 sheets. It might just be totally different paper. It might be mix and match all over the place. You may get a full pack of embellishments, never opened, or you may get one that's partially opened. And again, I'll put several together and that'll count as one, so you're not going to lose out value. If anything, I'm probably going to throw a few extra things in there and not even count it as value. Okay, so stamp sets, just think, they've been used, so they, like the photopolymer might already be stained and stuff, but they're still perfectly great stamp sets. You can use them. Okay, and the dies, I will try to bundle as much as possible. So where you get, these are the levels, the tiers that you can receive. Spend 50, get 75. Spend 100, get $150 worth of free retired products. Spend $150, get $250 worth of free product. Spend $300, get $500 of free product. I'm not kidding. This is double what I normally give in my mystery boxes. And I'm shipping it to you absolutely free. You are not paying a penny out of your pocket for this bonus. All you're doing is placing your order with me, and I'm showing my appreciation through this mega mystery box sale. Okay, so I want to be able to give as much stuff away as possible. So tell your friends. Anyone can do this. If you're a demonstrator and you want to do this, you can. The caveat is you do have to order from me, use me as your demonstrator and use my host code. Okay, but then you're getting all this free product, and I'm sure you're going to take it, you're going to use it, you're going to love it. I've also got paper pumpkins that I have every intention of putting together. I just haven't had the time. So you know, I won't put the box in because I'm going to make shipping as cheap as possible, obviously. And, but I'll put the whole package in, and it will be, I won't send, you know, ones that I've partially done. This will be full Paper Pumpkin packages in there. And it could be from years past. It's not all going to be current, you know, like yesterday's stuff. So to go over some dates, again, this special is going July 1st to July 15th. And your boxes will ship by July 19th, okay? Because I'm probably going to need, you know, for those last orders, I'll be getting them ready, and then I'll have everything shipped out on or before July 19th, okay? So there is my mega mystery box sale. I hope you take advantage of it. This is a once a year thing that I'm going to do, or that I generally do. I generally don't do it more than once a year. I never know, I might throw it in 6 months, but I'm thinking right now for the summer, this is the time that you want to go ahead. Don't delay. Remember, July 3rd is online exclusives. So if you were eyeballing that anyway, go ahead and place your order with me and get a whole bunch of free retired product that you can use. A lot of it never opened, some of it gently used. Okay. The mega box is non-refundable. It's not like you can get it and receive it and go, oh, well, I already have this stamp set. Can you switch it out with something else? Sorry, no. Can you imagine how much that would cost me in shipping and everything else? Like, no, what you get is what you get, and you don't throw a fit. I do guarantee that you're going to love it. I think because I'm a very generous person and I normally add in way more than I should. So you will love it. And again, yeah, it is a non-refundable, non-returnable, non-cancelable order. So if you do cancel the order, I hope you wouldn't, but if you place your order and then cancel it, you will be invoiced for the value of the mystery box. So I just have to put that caveat in there, because you do get like some sneaky people sometimes who try to, you know, do you dirty, and I'm sure it's none of you. I'm sure it's none of you, okay? But I just have to put it in there so that we check all our boxes, you know, cross all our T's, dot all our I's, all that good stuff. Okay, guys, I hope you take advantage of this. Again, it's going to be a mega mystery box. You're going to love it. I am going to be overly generous because I always am. It's just me. It's my nature. Okay, take care. Bye now.